During investigations, we use several paranormal apps in our videos. In this episode, JD is going to visit Dan's cabin to show each of the apps. By the way, the Word of the Day app is by far my favorite. Go for 100, go for 200, go for 500, go for 1,000. You know, just till the ghost decide to say shut up.
So this is the ghost radar. It is actually pretty interesting. That is if it's not too scary for you. If there's any spirits here, can you talk through this device so I can show our viewers what it is that this device does? It just came through and said Doug, and there's something to the right a little ways. And I just heard a sudden knock. Okay, now can you show yourself as a dots on this thing? The dots usually mean that something is here and it's a certain distance away from you. The only thing about this app is it's not very reliable because you don't know the distance. There's also different colored dots. I have no idea if that's actually supposed to mean something. This app is not very straightforward. And really, if it's red, it's supposed to mean it's bad, but how can you tell if a spirit is bad just from its presence? This is going to be showed totally different, so. This is supposed to be like a spiritual multimeter. It shows how strong the presence is. And this one is very, very strong, according to that. If you're very strong, can you knock on some? Okay, and this is a totally separate app. If something is here, can you move this meter? Well, it just glitched. Come on. Move that meter. Okay, apparently not. Come here, Maggie. I think it just died. That is sometimes another way that spirits can show their presence. Plus the battery was low, so you can easily roll that one out if you would like. Maggie! New version of the Ghost Radar. Almost broke my rig. Ooh, now there's a blue one. Canada. Got some spirits here from foreign places. Now let's go see what's going on over here. It crashed yet again. Let Maggie go through. Yo, something just moved. Something just moved again. Something we did not see. I don't know what is it. He's staying in one spot and it doesn't feel very good. So I think I'm gonna get out of here.